The magic of sunlight. A journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful depths of the English language. Today, we're exploring a mesmerizing phrase, the play of sunlight. This expression paints a vivid picture using just a few words, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also appreciate its poetic beauty. Let's illuminate our minds with the radiant charm of sunlight. The play of sunlight refers to the visual effects created when sunlight moves or shines through objects, creating patterns, shadows, or a spectrum of colors. It's not just about the sun shining. It's about the dynamic dance of light and shadow, color and contrast, that brings a scene to life. This phrase evokes a sense of movement and beauty, highlighting the ever-changing nature of light as it interacts with the world around us. To truly grasp the concept, let's consider some examples. Sunlight filtering through the leaves of a tree, creating a pattern of light and shadow on the ground. The glittering surface of the ocean as the sun sets, turning the water into a canvas of sparkling light. Sunbeams piercing through clouds after a rainstorm, creating a dramatic and hopeful scene. These instances show how the play of sunlight can transform an ordinary moment into something extraordinary, highlighting the natural beauty and artistry in our world. The phrase, the play of sunlight, isn't just descriptive. It's also rich with symbolism. It can represent hope, beauty, change, or the passage of time. In literature and poetry, authors use this expression to add depth to their descriptions, making the scenes more vivid and emotionally resonant in the reader's mind. Now that you understand its meaning and symbolism, you can start incorporating the play of sunlight into your own language. Use it to enhance your descriptive writing or storytelling. Express your appreciation for a beautiful moment in nature. Describe a scene in a conversation to paint a picture for your listener. And there you have it, the enchanting world of the play of sunlight unfolded. We hope this video shines a light on how powerful and beautiful the English language can be, especially when we stop to appreciate the poetry in our everyday lives. Keep looking for the magic in the mundane, and let the play of sunlight inspire your linguistic journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.